Hello everybody. My name is Dr. A. Gunashekhar. I am introducing myself here. I done my astrological course in 1997 in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Bangalore. Visharad and Pravina course. After completion of that, I got interested into it. I done KP system, numerology, palmistry, vastu and gemology courses. After completion of that, 22 years I was practicing this. And also I am conducting classes. Interested people can join my class and come for appointments. And why I made these videos, I am sharing here. The peoples, the living beings are come from nature only. Nature connected to human. How the planets and stars are working, how it related to human. That is what I have given in these videos. So follow my videos. You can see all the informations. It will be helpful to you. Hello everybody. My name is Gunashekhar, Dr. Gunashekhar, doctorate in astrology. I am going to tell you the basics of astrology. The basic information about astrology I wanted to share with you. See, astrology is connected to nature. Nature connected to human, that's all. The planetary positions or the stars or what is available in the cosmos, that is directly connected to human. So this I wanted to share with you. We'll go into the video now. Okay. So the cosmos I'll write. This is the cosmic picture. What I'm going to write here. This is a round of picture in which the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Pluto are located. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto is located inside this 15 degree of circle. See, all the planets are situated in the center, 15 degrees, 7.5 degree top and 7.5 degree below. Within this, the planets will go and up and down because of the inclination of the particular planet. Say for example, Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth. Earth is in 23 degree, 30 minutes inclined, no? When it rotates, it goes up and down because of that inclination only by 15 degree. That is what I have written here. Okay. So what I wanted to share with you is how this cosmic picture or these planetary combinations works in human body. We are going to discuss now. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. This is located in this circle. This circle is divided into 12 equal parts. The 12 division, in one division, the bright star which is located, we have drawn an imagined line and we have given a shape to name to it. Mesha is goat shape, Simha is the lion shape. Like this, the cosmos is divided into 12 equal parts. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth. From Earth, we are observing the cosmos. When a planet is posted here, we'll write it here. For example, Sun, Mercury. Mercury is here, we'll write it here. When Sun, Mercury, Venus. Venus is posted here, we'll write it here. If Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars. Mars, if it is here, we'll write it here. Like that, the planetary positions are placed here. This cosmic picture is written like this, a chart. This chart is called Kundali. This Kundali I have drawn here. It is called the 12 divisions. Mesha, Rishabha, Mithuna, Kataka, Simha, Kanya, Tula, Vrishika, Dhanur, Makara, Kumbha, Meena. These 12 division is the cosmic picture of this circle. This circle is written in square shape in South India. In Western is, in North India we are writing like this. In North India it will be like this. This 12 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 divisions. And Westerners, they will write it in round shape. Round shape. They divide this into 12 equal parts. Okay, these 12 divisions, anti-clockwise, they will write Mesha, Rishabha, Mithuna, Kataka like this. This picture we are writing like this. This cosmic picture will be written like this. That's all. Okay. This cosmic picture will discuss in depth in the next episode. What I am going to conclude here is planets are directly connected to human, and nature, stars, planets, all the availability in the cosmos directly connected to human. So, all these informations I have given in my YouTubes, refer my website videos, subscribe my YouTubes. Through that you can see a lot of information, nature connected to human. And also, if you wanted to consult me, take appointment, come to me and consult me. Or if you wanted to learn the astrological courses, register your name, join the classes, learn astrology. Thank you very much.